Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, January 11th. During a formal mindfulness practice, especially when you are just starting out, the body can grow anxious, restless, or agitated. To help with this, you can learn to respond to these sensations with compassion and gentleness. Today, we will do a practice called the mindful body. In this practice, you will work to offer kindness and compassion to the body. And you can use this method of calming the body during periods of formal mindfulness practice, like now, and of course, various moments in your daily life, whenever you notice difficulties arising, whether it's in a formal practice of meditation or your day-to-day being. In this practice, we will use the loving kindness mantras that are so familiar to you. I'll just remind you that mantras are the phrases used in meditation, and they serve as a method of tuning in deeply to a certain intention. So mantras aid concentration. And the intention here using loving kindness mantras is compassion and kindness. Throughout this practice, rest your awareness on the phrases as you say them silently or out loud. And as always, if the traditional loving kindness mantra doesn't feel authentic to you right now, you're very welcome to experiment with different words to see what feels most supportive, most caring, most honest for you. Matthew Sokolov, whose book we are exploring right now, says that he sometimes even uses the phrase, "this stinks," when it's all he can say honestly about the experience. And that's okay, you can experiment with that. Another helpful phrase he suggests for when some difficulties in the practice arise is, "I love you. Keep going." I really like that. So experiment with both or create something for yourself, whatever is supportive, caring, and honest. And now take a comfortable position, as always, taking a few moments to settle. Allow the eyes to gently close or keep them open if you wish. Take a moment to make adjustments to the body that feel helpful. As you breathe in, reach the spine up, but without rigidity. As you breathe out, invite relaxation into your whole body, but without losing alertness. So, resting in this golden middle. Take a few deep breaths like this, reaching the spine up without rigidity as you breathe in, inviting relaxation on your breath out. Remember that a deep breath is different from a big breath. It's not about how much air you take in, but rather about how deep you allow your breath to enter your body. Allowing yourself to arrive in the body. Invite the energy in. Encourage relaxation. For the next few moments, simply rest in awareness of the body. In the past few days, we did a couple of practices that may be useful at this moment. For example, you can observe the points of contact to help you settle. I'll remind you that in the points of contact practice, you simply notice what areas of your body touch the surfaces you're using for support. You may also choose to use a quick body scan if this makes it easier for you to settle. Do what is useful. Don't force the mind to do anything. Simply relax into the present time awareness. And now take a moment to connect with your intention to be calm and at ease, to be compassionate and kind to your body. Although there may be tension, anxiety, or discomfort in the body, recognize your own natural wish for the body to be comfortable. And begin offering a few phrases of loving kindness to your body. Remember that these phrases serve as a way of connecting with our intention to care. Try saying them slowly, whether it's out loud or silently, connecting with the words, connecting with their meaning. As always, you can repeat after me, or you can use different words that resonate best with you. May my body be at ease. May my body be healthy. May I be at ease with the body. Keep repeating this phrase, whether it's what I said or your own words. I'll be silent for a little bit. May my body be at ease. May my body be healthy. May I be at ease with my body. Now let that go and tune into specific area or areas of the body that grab your attention. Whatever area comes up, offer a few phrases of loving kindness to it. For example, if your shoulders are drawing your attention now, you may say something like, may my shoulders be at ease. May my shoulders be healthy. May I be at ease with my shoulders. And again, you can use the traditional mantra that I just said, or create your own. Again, I'll be silent for a little bit so that you can enjoy your direct experience. Now open your awareness to any part of the body that is experiencing difficulty or maybe pain. Recognizing the discomfort, offer a few phrases of compassion to that area. And in this case, compassion means simply attending to discomfort or pain with a tender and open heart. For example, if you feel discomfort or pain in your left knee, you can say something like this: may my left knee be free from discomfort or pain. May I care about this discomfort. May I be present for this discomfort. May my left knee be free from discomfort. May I care about this discomfort. May I be present for this discomfort. Remember, you can create your own phrase. Again, I'll be silent for a little bit. You do your practice. Now allow your awareness to move away from this particular discomfort, once again opening up to the whole body. And do another quick check-in to see if there is any other area in the body where you feel discomfort or pain. If there is, tend to it with compassion. If there isn't, tend to the whole body with compassion, repeating the loving kindness phrases of your choice a few times, addressing them to the area of discomfort or to the entire body. And now bring your hands to your heart and send loving kindness to yourself in general. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now, as you gently let go of this practice, notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And I invite you to experiment bringing this practice into your daily life. Remember, it doesn't have to be anything formal or long. Simply try to remember to become aware of your whole body a few times during the day, offering it loving kindness, compassion. And if you notice areas that are experiencing discomfort or pain, offer compassion and kindness to these specific areas. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.